If you're noticing you're talking to a patient who's kind of closed off to revealing any additional information that might help you make a connection to the emotion behind the decision they're wanting to make, or make the connection to emotion so that they make the right decision for their health through getting a sleep test, moving forward with treatment, etc. One of the ways that you can really connect with people and get them to open up is by lowering your voice and asking permission to ask a question. You'll say, "Hey Janice, can I ask you something?" Just off the record. When you use that phrase, off the record, the walls come down. You mentioned that your husband snores and that's caused a lot of problems. Again, this is completely off the record. Can you tell me a little bit more about that? You're gonna get patients opening up and sharing more, and as they share more, they continue to develop a stronger emotional connection to the desired result that you provide in the way of oral appliance therapy. So focus on your tone, bring the tone down. You're concerned? Off the record, Janice, I just want to ask you a question. Practice that with your patients and see if you don't get more people making an emotional connection that benefits them in the future, because they're going to connect that emotion to the treatment that you provide, and they're going to connect it to their desired result.